hearing them blue jays making that noise, or it sounds like water's dropping. Bloop, bloop. This is kind of a cool little bird here. But here's the deal, yo. I got this awesome phone, Pixel 6 Pro. Only had it a year. And the company Visible that I'm on are requiring that I upgrade networks or my phone's not going to work. And I said, okay. I said, will this phone work on the new network? No. So this phone's not going to work anymore soon. I either have to change to a different company, which I've got a good deal because it's only $25 a month, unlimited, or get a new phone, which is going to be $500 some with this trade-in. Hopefully they'll give me. Hey, what is that? Somebody over here? Hey, it's a kitty. That's great white. What are you doing? Hear them woodpeckers? They're laughing. But the Pixel 7 is supposed to have a better zoom, pixel clarity. Like when you're zoomed in. Like this is about as good as you can get when you're not zoomed in. But when you're zoomed in, it can get better. So hit that like and subscribe button so we can go ahead and hit that next level. I'm going to get my first $100 off of YouTube here in the next 30 days. After that, it's to the roof. To the moon, Batty. To the roof, Batman. Plus, you can see this little guy. I thought he was a cow, but I think he's a pig. He already drank 2 bottles today. It's only like 1 o'clock. Fat boy. You need some exercise though, don't you? People say I should take you on a walk. That would be funny. Get them a little dog harness. Walk them around, walk them to the mailbox like I do the kitties don't even need a leash. They just walk up there with me. It's hilarious. It's whatever, people. Firecrackers over there. Where's my pet cardinal? I ain't seen him in a minute. Starting to heal up. Things are looking up, people. Just when you think the world's gonna crash down on you. You can't stand one more negative reaction. Then all of a sudden a bunch of good stuff happens. I just made that fart up, but hey, wishful thinking. You can't ascend to the 5D unless you gotta live like you're in it already, and then things will start opening up. I'm hoping. Peace.